Fresh from our sunrise balloon safari, we set out across the Serengeti in pursuit of lions, leopards, and unforgettable wildlife encounters. Time to spot a leopard. incredible morning exploring the Serengeti, it was time to return to the camp and recharge. One of the best things about staying in the heart of the Serengeti is that the adventure doesn't stop when the cave drive ends. Even on the way back to camp, you never know what wildlife might appear around the next bend.
Here's some footprints from last night. Not sure what they were. Here's our
Back at camp, a delicious lunch was waiting for us after hours of scanning the plains for wildlife. We were more than ready to trade in our camera gear for a good meal and a comfortable chair. As the African sun climbed higher and higher in the sky, the animals settled down for their afternoon rest. And honestly, so did we. A short break gave us time to relax, review some of the morning incredible photos and video, and soak up the sounds of the Serengeti. Our safari day was far from over, long before it would be time to climb back into our Land Cruiser and head out once again in search of unforgettable wildlife encounters. And as we soon would discover, the Serengeti still had a few surprises waiting for us. What an unforgettable day in the Serengeti. Lions resting in the golden light, a leopard watching from above, and wildlife everywhere you turn. Moments like these remind us just how wild and alive this place truly is. We'll feel incredibly fortunate to have experienced it all, to witness nature this close, and to share these encounters together out here in one of the most remarkable places on Earth. But the adventure isn't over yet. As the sun sets over the Serengeti, tomorrow we head into our next adventure as we leave the Serengeti headed to Ngorongoro Conservation Area, where even more surprises could be awaiting just around the next horizon.